Hey ho. Um, my day is finishing. I have this Citizen open because while I'm working, I'm often listening to Paul Phrase's live stream. He's basically live streaming the building of Citizens, so I was kind of having a fun time today. I got some Paul bucks. I have 200 of them already. Yay. So yeah, if anyone is interested, check on YouTube Paul Frazee Citizen. It's really cool. So you can co-work and also tune in. So what I managed to do while watching Frazee work. So if you remember, we published a plan yesterday. And then I pushed or added the plan to the priority queue. And then I immediately, this is where I continued, I took the next one from the priority. So we push to the priority queue and then we shuffle all the things that are in the priority queue based on this new entry. And we make a new queue and then we take the first one out and try to execute it. So what does that mean when we take the next one from the priority? We take basically the plan out, and the plan has multiple, let's see, where do we have a plan? Plan has multiple data sets in the program that a sponsor wants to host. And data set means a certain feed ID and ranges of data that they want to host. And these ranges can be like, I don't know, from 0 to 10,000 or from 5 to 10 and from 15 to 17, like which chunks that somebody wants to host. And then we take all of this and we make contracts out of that. What does that mean? We split every this data set into 10 chunks and make contracts with 10 chunks. And then contract means finding 3 hosters that will basically host these 10 chunks. So, or arbitrary number. For now, we have 10. So we split it into equal parts, make contracts out of it. So every plan can be, I don't know, either one contract if it has only 10 chunks. But if it has like 500, then it's just like, I don't know, 50 contracts. So I had to fix some things in here because of our changes in the database. So when I then make contracts, I schedule the action based on the time when somebody wants the plan to start being hosted. So if somebody wants it for, I don't know, July next year, then we just schedule it that it will start in July next year. And we add it to pending, and then we try the next one that is ready to be published or not published, hosted. So I'm kind of struggling a little bit with renaming here because I want that, like, when we read through, everything makes absolute sense. So this is the cleanup a little bit that I'm doing. And it's kind of mostly working with all these changes. But I'm getting to this, or I'm supposed to select providers that will execute this contract. It says I cannot find providers, searching for additional providers because there are none. So I figured out now, just before finishing, that we have this registration form, which is where users register their role. And for some reason, I'm not getting this from and until when are they available. So I have to kind of dive a little bit into this and fix it. And yeah, I'll continue with this tomorrow. So something was done. It was a lot of like this kind of little tedious IDs, resolving, parsing data. But yeah, moving forward. So that was my day. See you tomorrow.